People go running, don't they? So
That
you
was
laugh
weird.
after the month for. Come on, let's go.
Because like we were just like having family time, and then here goes
Mr. Jagger,
Mr. High Knees.
that is it. All right, I mean,
He's
here we
coming.
go.
He's coming.
I'm
Oh no,
not
he's
coming
not.
back.
Yeah, I thought he turned around.
Flavia, right, girlie. Look over there, sir. Be people, just homelessness, and then me don't know who spite the people them because them not have nowhere to live and turn around burn up every piece of their belongings.
There's a bite.
Listen, if people can't live nowhere and they don't have no home, they can't sleep in front of shop doors, you know, or in the high street all over the town centre, then the people them find out look a back place down here, so on that bridge, on that motorway bridge, and near the railway. And then burn down the people them sitting them, whosoever do it. Yeah, baby, we're not pick them one day. We're gonna go down here so and pick some nicer ones, yeah?
What did you say?
Yeah, we're gonna go up there so go pick nicer ones.
Is this the spot yet?
No, this isn't the spot yet, girlie.
So is this spot gonna be a nice spot, like a nice spot?
If my viewers them see the spot, cause when me did I come from Windsor, me I
So
ride past there.
so is it gonna be like a spot where we can just literally just stand there like?
Oh yeah, yeah, yeah.
Is there a place to sit?
No, there's nowhere to sit. This is nature, we're outside.
Yeah.
Where are we? We out.
Side.
That is it.
Wooden gates right now.
Family there coming. Yeah, people, we out here.
I just have the hiccups. Look at those hairy things. Daddy.
Yeah, people, we are go berry picking today, but we are go for nicer looking berry them. I love the great outdoors. They see water. Yeah, we are go see water there. And see real. What is that over there, guys? What's that? Oh.
I knew that was a close-up tree.
Whoop, whoop.
The water.
Yes.
The water.
We're going exploring, guys. Adventure.
The river.
Adventure, guys.
Careful.
Oh, I dropped me camera, you know, man. All right. Stay tuned and watch what go on, guys. When we reach down there for picking the berries, we'll lock back in.
What if I'm doing those? I'm
How are
out.
these under manuals?
I'm out.
That is it.
It's a lake.
Look, Shlevia.
The water's rushing through down here.
Yeah.
I'm going to those Daddy, don't drop your camera.
Somebody lose them ball along there.
It's kind of uneven because that side is smaller and that side is bigger.
It's probably done like that for a reason. To control the flow. Are you guys ready? See, you feel it, you know, people. The field. The field. Big, big wide field and I have nothing on it, people. Look at that. Waste of land. Them not growing up on it year after year, there's nothing being grown on it.
Yeah, but it's not fair because nobody can get.
But they cut it. You can get through right there.
What?
Yeah, unbelievable.
I was gonna say, if we weren't going somewhere, I would have run through there already. But you said we can go on the way back.
Come on, you.
We got.
Let's go.
What? A weird looking leaf.
Mm.
Leaf. But that's cherries. There's not one that we can eat, but like stuff. I can't even see anything. Doing it. I can't even see anything. Why can't I not eat anything?
Got water.
Help me.
Alright, put them waters over there.
Oh my god. Hey, where? Yellow plums.
Plum in people, look here.
Oh my god.
I don't ever see what I go on right now.
Oh my god.
What? Should I be? Hold her back, man. Me tell you hold her back. So she don't drop.
Daddy.
Me just tell her to put them down, didn't I, girlie?
Yeah.
How you end up with two waters anyway? Oh, you're holding the waters because they're picking plums. So you know what? You're holding two people's waters because they're doing something.
Yeah.
That's like normally going on, man. You see when you have the liquor one and you can't do no picking. Oh, you can't reach up there, so.
Yeah, but I can't tasting. I want to eat one right now.
Get a few more because the pot's almost full.
Yeah. Come, we don't really need
Can you reach
too much more of these ones.
And then I'm gonna water them. A few more and then I'm watering them.
Out here, you know, people. With my family. You know? We out here, man. What you not doing to me? Watch out. I mean, I carry you water, them people. Man, none of them not open. Is that a little spider for me? A jumping spider.
No, it's a
Look,
jumping
a baby, look, is that a baby,
Get her down.
what you call that?
Jumping! Daddy, help.
A baby cricket. Hold on there. Hold this baby girl.
Cricket's in
Yeah.
there.
Wait.
The baby
Come.
cricket's in there.
Oh, that hurt.
Ah!
Everybody covered in.
Heavy you are. She was tall enough.
Daddy,
She's heavy.
Daddy, there's
Yeah.
a baby cricket in there. Don't close
I
it.
don't know to do with you.
Don't close it. It's the baby.
It jump up, baby.
It's the baby cricket.
It's jumped out. It's jumped out. It's jumped
No,
out.
there's another baby one.
Oh, good. So you don't want us to take it home. All right, before we go, we'll let open the lid and let it jump off, yeah? Come on anyway, on to the next adventure, guys. Look how the sun beautiful. Wow.
You come back for berries and we got plums.
Is that jumping spider still in there?
It's not a spider. That was a cricket. What name?
Just the cricket.
Jumping cricket. Jumping jacks. Jumping cricket. Yeah.
It was in my
We call them different
back.
things in Jamaica too. Yeah. Yeah, baby. Wow.
Yeah, you have to keep your promise, remember? So wait.
Wow,
When we
guys.
come back, I'm going in there.
That is it. We just love this nature
I'm going in there.
vibe and this outdoor business with family.
Somewhere over there.
You know, you're going to people. That
Bring us
is
to the
it.
cherries.
Up here, sir. Right up. Beautiful family there, people. My son and my daughter and my partner. I'm obsessed with the sun. Guys, you know, the sun just beaming down for me, feel nice and warm. I just love how all the trees have different colors. Look at that. You got shades of white, purple, blues, greens. Yes, baby, yes. Keep going, girlie. All right. Okay, baby girl, yeah. Keep going, keep going. Can you see the berries? Can you see berries on this side? Yeah. People, some of them red panda tree, I know, man. Look well nice. Look there. Well, up on a bush, that branch there, so. Well nice. Boy, yo, sometime. I wish we could have reached it. I can't reach them one day.
I can go on your back, Daddy.
Eh?
I can go on your back.
No, sir, I limb the too high, baby girl. I limb that well high.
I'm talking about the ones here.
Wait.
Yeah, but them one, they're not too, them not ripe enough. Them don't ripe enough.
You're taller than Tay, it'll do. I'm not getting it.
Wait,
Seagull laugh.
Daddy.
Daddy.
Over here, so.
No, Milo. This way.
Up, over here, man. Okay, up, please.
I started.
Yummy, please focus, yeah? You ready? I'm gonna feel like no, I'm getting on it
I'm
when I hold it
ready.
like that. Yummy, hold up your hand. Hold up your hand. Say, come a bit towards her. Okay.
Ow, I'm just getting hit in the head. Oh, ow. I'm only
Come on.
getting hit in the head.
I'm almost gonna get hit in the head.
Ow.
I got hit in the.
Oh, you have to move it, Jamila. Ooh. I'm trying to catch them. Okay,
The red one, them.
come on. Jamila, go back.
So-
Go back.
over.
Go. Daddy, open. Ow, ow. Ow. I'm getting hit in the head more.
I'm getting hit in the head.
Can't just think I miss everything.
Jamila, go,
Right.
go that way.
Alright. You know what?
I'm
Well,
waiting.
you
These
know,
are the red
I
ones.
know what got. Then
These
so
are
got
the
to waste.
yellow.
No, we're
In
getting
a year, yeah.
We've got a few.
Sorry.
Jamila, do not eat.
I'm not eating it.
Daddy. No, this way. This way. This way. Come over here.
Daddy.
That's too low. Gosh, shit, not
You
funny.
should we just keep on walking now?
have a leaf
Yeah,
on your
come on,
face.
guys, let's go.
You have a leaf on your face.
Yeah?
Right, we got to put these on my
Have
first.
a leaf on your face.
Come on, guys, let's
There's
go.
a few red ones. We have to get that over
There's a
there.
leaf on your
Wow.
bed, Daddy.
Up there.
Get.
She only want you thinking
Push
you
it.
lift someone.
Daddy, there's a
Daddy,
leaf.
lift.
More up there, Daddy. There's more up there.
You see any fatter ones are yeah. Guys, when I was coming the other day from Windsor, the berries were fat. I think they were in their like better season last month. Now we're in August, the beginning of August, and they've started to like suck down and draw back or something in size. Also, I think a lot of people have come past and picked them. Look, look, you see how they shrivel up? Once they're not being picked, they just suck back in, and the bees will have them, other insects and bugs, you know? Oh yeah. There's some last minute ones coming out, you know, before the time gets cold. As you can see, when they're fresh and red like that, they're just coming, you know? But then they need enough sunlight and water to grow properly.
Should we water them?
Baby, there's so many. We couldn't water them. They need heavenly water and they need water from the sky. Enough water from the sky to water them. You know, another thing, I don't know people, how people just pick things and put in at their mouth like that. Yeah. We're out here anyway. I do it. That is it.
They won't. They might be here.
How will them all go? Jump off a tree?
I would. I would.
Oh boy.
Daddy, right there.
Yes, people, they have filmed a beautiful bees, yeah. Yeah. But yeah, guys, see bury them, yeah.
They're gone.
See big fat bury them, yeah. What? Them type of style them I want. Them size, yeah, me I look.
Daddy,
Eh?
down.
Oh, yo, me no want to squeeze them too hard, cause they... Oh, that one's...
Yeah, they're very weak. Them
I
ones,
want them
Daddy.
mash up.
Them ones.
What a good time,
Down. Right
Oh,
there.
yeah, that's
There's
it.
like 5.
I don't know. When me have video, I'll know people. It's a very difficult and delicate situation, you know, because you don't want to get yourself... You don't want to juke yourself with the maca them or the thorns. We call them maca in Jamaica. They call
There's one
thorns
more.
here.
Oh no.
So it's a very... Look at people. Just drape me up, so.
Right there. No, down. Yeah, there.
Hmm?
Daddy.
Yes,
Look at
baby.
now. Daddy.
Hmm?
Thank you.
Put them on there and something. Hold on, baby. Hold on.
Mommy.
Hold on, Bob. 1 second, baby girl.
Look at that one up there.
Daddy,
Yeah.
can you
And
pick
too high.
some for me?
And too high.
Can you pick some for me?
Hold on, the girl. Yes, people. Back in I see some underneath us. So.
I could never do it. I can. There's a bunch over here, but Daddy's the only one who can get them.
He's the only one who.
Where they are big. There's a whole bunch of them there. Where's that flowers? Yeah, let's go and pick us some eggs.
Let's go and
Daddy, I think we're done with this bit.
Daddy, we're done with this little bit. Now we're going to food.
We're doing good, people. We're doing good. Yeah, come. Let's go down there where there's more sunshine over there. So you lot go and walk around there, so let me see what I go on here, so. Them not look too good, yes, sir. Yeah, people. Nice look a walk with the family, you know.
It's your time to shine.
I hate cricket. Cricket.
Only God knows what goes through them place there at night time. Like the animals, them walk around out there, so. So, guys, my daughter wanted to go on the field, but she thought she would have to go that way. But here is the field here. She can go on it from this way. There she is right there, look. She's a free spirit like me.
There's too many crickets.
We love the nature vibe. The crickets, them not see you all now. Them not go check them. Look, you can hear them out there living in a bush. But we don't even know what else live down in them bush there. Because they're quite tall. Look, guys, me have my two princess them with me. They are the two always with me. My big daughter, she love her for her father too, you know. And my boy when him ready. See them there. Oh, my girl is them, they're always with me.
Can you get them?
You look a bit small though, man.
Yeah.
You look a bit small, baby girl. Who's staying them scared? Scared of what?
I'm scared of the cricket.
When you're with your father, there's nothing to be afraid of. Nothing at all.
Daddy.
Can you reach it? Well, me and this one's Miss Fussy. See if we can find any better way. Alright guys, we out here. Me and Yami and she are going in the bush. So guys, we out here, I know man I do it. Them tones there guys, them tones there. One of them tones there
She
catch you.
felt like she had a
Them
fall
ain't
in
look
her
too
finger.
right, trust me. So I gotta leave them one day.
I wonder
Up this side, the nice one. I'll catch you on the other side.
Do you want to pick or do you want to hold? I have the very rough.
Yeah, this is it, guys. Look at.
Daddy, look.
Look. Look on that running stuff. Everybody and have look at red panels. Them staying in, people, staying in. Bad.
I want want some of my water, Mommy.
Let's pour it.
It's in the bag.
We don't know what. Oh, quite a big thing. Can you see it?
Yeah.
Come, start pick.
Oh, it's gonna squish the berries.
I gotta start pick. I want to look good.
You just spitted that.
It's because
I
we
want
out
to see the
there.
inside of this. Okay.
We out there
Like a
in
cherry
nature. Start pick.
Look. Move. Okay, hold it a second. Oh, you're gonna step on one.
Yes, don't say that.
Oh, it's literally just a plum. A normal plum.
Yeah.
It's a normal plum.
I'm glad some can see things to my England because boy, I feel at least me not feel so bad now. So, although Jamaica have more things, boy, I can pick Guinness, tamarind, rum, mango, breadfruit, ackee, every damn thing.
Look. Oh.
At least everybody can pick now.
Look, there's another one there.
See one yellow one, they see. So then go yellow, they go
there's
red.
Some here, man. Look.
You know the ones over there, Tay, that's red, yeah? After they go red, I think they go purple. Purple like darkest color with more antioxidants. That's the last bit of the best nutrients going into the fruit. People we out there, everybody are tasty berry, we just wash them off with look of water. The plum them, I mean. Just fling your ground, it will grow next year. Yeah, you know people. Rinse it off your hand, myself.
Oh, yeah. And they want a bit firmer. A little bit.
They're a bit tangy.
Yeah. What, the yellow ones are a bit tangy?
Nah, well, my purple one was tangy.
Oh.
Yum.
So, I don't know when they get sugary sweet, but them
Maybe
alright
the red
still.
ones are sugary sweet.
Wow.
We totally forgot about
Hold on to people, hold on to people, I'm gonna rinse off. Move your hand about, like, no, like, yeah, rinse it. Like this.
Oh.
Yeah.
It goes green, yellow, red to purple.
Yeah,
That's
rinse
good.
them off, so you know, yeah, agitate the
I'm
dirt
purple.
off of them. When I dash you bury them, you know.
Okay, we have red now.
Hold on.
Oh, no, we
Try.
have to share this one because there's only
Try
like
smaller one.
3
Let me
red
try
ones.
big one. Okay. The yellow one them is more on my speed right now.
This is red.
And then give me an
So you
apricot
have to take one bite out of this.
An apricot the fruit right here, so.
I'm getting
Yeah.
my own. I got my own.
I mean, like, flavor wise.
That's not red. That's
Of the fruit.
Yeah. I want a purple one.
Well, I love how people just take out my look at one buckle of water and dash away. Joke that way, man. Yeah, baby. It's funny, you know, because we find people look at purple one. Some yellow there on it too, for sure, you know. And we see a tree with red on them. So we did, yeah, we grab some more purple one. So yeah, people out here, stay tuned and watch our go on.
Try that. Get it.
And just pick one, when look for which one we pick and grab it.
Get it, Shiv.
I didn't even get one.
Hold on, Jamala. Please watch that water.
You have to find that the apple and get knocked out today, you know.
Yeah.
I want to get one. Me.
See, you'll probably have more.
That one.
You'll probably have more control if you turn that around, this. That's harder. Yeah. Yeah, Daddy, take a spoon. Baby, should I hold this? Oh, yeah. Shiva, hold that a second, darling. Okay. I'm just afraid of you. Oh, you're
Say hi ho, hi ho.
Let's do it. Now we're gonna get
Family day.
Yay!
Right.
Smack it. Jamal,
That's
Mommy,
the
step
other
back,
block,
step back,
Bobby.
step back.
Step back.
Step back.
Can just feel it.
The sword, then hold it the other way.
Oh, I'll go with me after.
Yeah. That one, yeah, that one. Daddy, look. You literally split an apple. That was hard. Nah, literally, that is splitting half. Nah, you did get it. It's like a whip. This one's too small. Bobbing apples, don't you remember?
Bobbing apples?
Yeah, they float.
Oh yeah, right. Bob never knows the apple, so
Yeah,
apple
they
ain't got
float.
no bones.
Apple bobbing. Big ones, like that is broken.
Can everybody move back? I'm trying to video Daddy.
That's why I put that backside. That big green one I told.
Stop hard.
Ooh.
Oh, there's it. Get it,
I got it.
There it goes.
What you say? A good girl video, darling. Never remember.
hard, Daddy. Oh, what are you?
Oh, you almost caught that.
There's one there.
Baby, I wouldn't believe the fruit that England would pick. Even that, I look for you having it and I wouldn't have got a shot.
Take a picture. That's what I take.
Oh, what they sell this sort of
Yeah, look at
We
this.
can't see.
It's
If we did
outside.
that Jamaica, we wouldn't have to buy nothing. Everything good.
Yeah.
Now I'm getting itchy.
Alright. Daddy, stop it really hard. Oh, you split like 2.5.
I mean, if I lick them so hard, man.
And that one, mate. And that one.
Apple them tender.
Okay, everybody stand back up, please. Take got the thing.
Oh, the apple them.
I'm ready.
Should we wash apples?
Baby, look.
Why are you?
I know you want to kiss the apple them, yeah, me.
You got tiny apple.
Yeah.
I should have got.
I want you to switch your mind like I see.
Eating the
Stuck with your hood.
apple.
Yeah.
I want to have a tiny apple.
Well, no more tiny apple or drop out
Apple,
Take
Daddy,
one garlic down a tiny apple if you want, but no more tiny apple or
No,
drop
Tay
out.
did get a small apple, but I said leave it.
No more tiny apple. Up more than that. Look at the eye. Watch yourself, I might
Let's
get.
get swung. Hey, look what you're swinging it, Molly.
Up
You
there.
broke it.
At the bunch, at the bunch.
If we can get one more apple. Apple, really?
Yeah, maybe.
Oh my god.
Maybe we ask
Oh
the tree
my
nicely.
god.
She'll give us an apple.
Davey said we need to ask the tree nicely.
To get an apple.
How's this not broken yet?
Tell the tree say I love it and tell it to come here. I'm being serious.
Tree's not shaking. Are you serious? No.
Daddy's not talking to you. He's talking to you.
Tiny one.
Where?
Come, apple tree, bring down the branch then.
Daddy.
Yeah.
I got an idea. What if we give the apple tree this apple's back and it gives us the apple in return?
Sorry for me, just so I never want to try to pick you up.
It gives us. We're not making cake, we're making pancakes.
But what are we making with the apples? That is it. People, apple tree, you know. Can't believe say food that England for pick. I explore the place with my family. I explore the land. And I see food everywhere. I never know say so much thing that England can pick. Because people afraid that everything will grow, yeah. Them think everything poisonous. And all they have to do is look at research.
We're thinking to break his neck again. We're thinking to get on tape. Come on,
Oh,
let's do
you
this.
want to go on their shoulder, you mean?
Yeah.
Me, I say, what? Break what?
Daddy, help. I need your help getting her on me.
Now we try the big stick when I try to make over here so for us.
We do it like that.
Yeah, the big stick. We'll go try that stick here, people.
Drop you, you'll get really hurt.
Yeah? Now stay tuned and watch how I go on, guys. Be an insect all over me.
Okay.
How can I get on your back?
Daddy,
Nobody's
help
helping me.
Alright, let's get it.
Can I help you break the tree?
Yes, girlie.
Share calmly.
So,
Can we get that?
yeah, me. Come here. Step on this today.
Yeah.
We throw out that. I look at people, the plum tree, We dropped them one night, them drop them, so that's obviously all the plums them on it, but you know how you come on the fire. You know you get rid of bacteria in them, man. And them on the spoil. Come here.
Should I help you lift it?
Yeah.
You should stop putting the foot on it.
I can make a picking stick.
Is it
Yeah, we can't reach the tree. Okay, so don't shut hard, you know?
the apple?
Alright, come there, take a photo.
That one.
You look at one in.
This one.
I'm not sure. Come baby, look at one in. Yummy. Alright, dude. That's that, you know.
My stick got stuck in the tree. Help, Mummy.
Let me get my head up.
Mummy, here, this big one.
All
Hang on,
right, right.
Damn.
Yeah, come on, baby, come. You just get licked. Be careful.
Did she? Did you get hit, Baba?
Yeah, apple jack, look at it, look at it.
Mummy, go back. Can you get my stick
Mommy,
back?
that's what I'm telling you, stay from underneath the tree. Look here.
There.
Yes. Them a come down. Them a come down out that tree.
Everybody move.
Hey, see on the backside. Quick before you drop now.
Daddy, what?
Ah!
Daddy? Daddy, why are you so funny?
He just hurt his back. Look at those husbands this time. This is fun, Daddy.
Thank you, Angela.
Daddy, after this time we go.
Hey, look for the big one. Whatever one that big, nice enough. Yeah. Yeah, give me that.
Daddy, I got.
I said hi ho, hi ho. Put it on the men's go. I said hi ho, hi ho.
That's one.
What?
There's one. That's
So then, yeah.
There's a.
I know what it's up.
That was a
Take one.
Hi ho.
Hey, don't mess
When
around,
let me
yeah.
go. Hi ho.
No, I don't think that's new one. Those ones, I think, already on the floor, done. You don't, the ones that have already been on the floor, because they'll have worms and stuff.
Ew. You don't want it.
Oh! Good girl! She spit that so far.
Yeah.
Yeah. Just the big one. The tree.
Me nah no more wanna go pick them up over there, so I take away all like apple them. Watch out. Oh, so a big hole will feel like grum. Guys, next year we'll come and be apple tree in our water. Yeah, man. And 3 years from now we can climb them.
Did you see that? Did you see that?
Yeah. Jeez. Yeah, the apple them will drop a grum. We just have a little fun with them, you know. That is it. Yeah, man, the water here, right, that's so clear and clean, but over there, so, you know, it's like half of the way. All over there, so, too. Yeah, it's half. That is it, you know, guys. We're out here.
We got these. We're gonna find them.
Woyoy. Woyoy. Over there, so.
Wait, I'm gonna try it. It's orange.
Yeah, those are the ones that gone off. Remember, they come off that branch, the tree that dropped down over there, so. Yeah, guys, we're out here, you know.
Daddy. Daddy.
Yeah.
Should we keep the ongoing travel and go that way?
Yeah, obviously.
Yeah, well, I'll see what I go on over there. You ready?
Daddy.
Alright, so guys, look here. We just are showing some of my graph for the as we are passing underneath that. It's not a train station, it's a train bridge, it's a motorway. It's a road up there. But we just want to show you these weird, you know, what they are quirky art, you know, what people do with the spray painting. Yeah, but them look like they're quite all these ones going up further, but you know, them one they look a bit more
Let's
better.
go further.
So come on, guys. Anyway, the guys still a pick berries, guys. Them find more berries after the apple them. You know, but I'm just mesmerized by this beautiful how you call it? Sunset. Yeah, it's going down. We have about 30 minutes before we don't have no more sun out here. And then we just in our dark, day darkness, you know. We're quite a way out, so I'm not sure if I wanna keep going or just call it a day now. Or a night, should I say. Yeah guys, some real nice berries though by here, so on the side here. But yeah guys, that sun is just amazing. Mesmerizing. Wow. Yeah, I love that. The kids them over here, so you know, enjoy themselves in the field there. Cause a long time they want to go over there. But you know, almost or little most you can't see that sign there anymore, people. But yeah, wow, this field, you know, just being out in the field and the sun going down like that. Beautiful, guys. You know? Yeah. That is it. I wish that was a mango tree right there, so it would have get climbed straight away. Right away. On the mango tree there. Yo! What I deal with? Out there, people. Yeah, it's alright. It's alright. Somebody a cut it, but me no know. Them not out here. I look out for a house there for anything, but me not see no crop. And crop can't grow in a nowadays.
It's just been harvested.
Yeah.
I know, but I feel like it's private land.
Come on, guys, anyway.
Shaya, come on, excuse me. We're having a little snack break here. Excuse me. Take on this looking thingy. We're in the darkness. Yeah.
And then we are leaving, yeah, so.
Yeah, you can sit down for your snack. We just killed it for a second. Take on.
Because we have to walk back. We've got to.
What a shame.
Oh, remember how when we did a walk, and I say, oh, I'm tired already, Daddy, where are we going? You remember that, Slavia? So you know how much walking to get back.
We're going home now.
Well, I have to walk underneath the train station, train bridgeway.
We're going home now. First.
Yeah, we have the people them we live underneath it. I'll be a Zambia go grab one when we have pass back. The mad people them out.
Why do we have to go back?
Oh, well, right now, what? Was you enjoying the field, Michelle?
Yes.
Well, mommy said, son, I go away, so we have to leave, you know. Yeah.
I'm hungry.
Two birds. Brother and sister.
No, they're gonna grow up
What did
to
she
be
just
hens.
She said, and chicks. I goes, yeah, they're gonna grow up.
Hens got to be chickens.
Yeah.
Daddy,
Yeah.
I'm happy.
You happy, baby? You had a good day?
I'm
That
happy
is it.
because I had a good day picking berries,
Yeah?
walking,
Michelle?
eating.
How's your day?
I'm hungry.
You hungry now? I'm asking about the day, love. How was it? How was the day?
I'll hope in your car.
Yes?
Like, yeah.
Yes.
It's different, isn't it? Something different, yeah? Yeah, baby, we're gonna go back.
Back to the
Are we
a different
going this
route.
way?
Yeah.
There's more of the. Oh.
Look at that. Looks like a kingdom. Look at that.
I'm gonna go back this way, and I'm gonna.
Look there. Everything. I try to catch a plane. Plane, may I try catching the people. Guys, look my daughter right into the bin and come back. Quickly, fast. How fast can you get back? Quickly. Go, 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 go. Who's going to win?
At 5 seconds, they've started running back, so...
I think Michelle won because she was just a little bit in front of you.
7
Why
seconds.
did you give up running at the end? You should have carried on going at full speed. Come on, let's go.
Hey guys,
What do we get today?
we got
Okay, we don't have time for
So,
fashion show.
name 3 fruits that we got. Some plums, some berries, and some
apples.
Yeah. And do they look good?
Yeah.
So we are gonna use them for pancakes and we are gonna use them for crumble, innit?
Crumble.
So the apple them are going on one crumb.
Bull.
And we are gonna put the crumble with afterwards. Some
Custard.
Ooh, you like that? Yeah?
Yeah, but I never saw pancakes.
No, but we are gonna pancakes usually put blueberries in them, right? So we are gonna use the berries, aren't we? So you can make pancakes. We can put them in even a nice fruit cake, a cake.
Yeah, when is this? Because I'm really hungry.
Well, I go home, go eat, I know. But what I'm saying, I'm talking about a dessert or something nice.
So can we dessert after dinner? Daddy?
I mean, we just got the fruits today, guys. We ain't got to eat them today.
Yeah, but stuff for dessert.
No, we're not
I'll buy
having
the stuff tomorrow.
that is it.
Hello. Okay.
Daddy,
Yeah.
do you want me to show you
Mm-hmm.
how me, myself, and I
Yes,
walks?
that is it. Why you show me? Show me how you do it, baby girl. Oh, yeah, I say. What are we them, they walk the elegant? A big money walk them, they no people. Me not have them type of walk there, you know. Cause them walk, they expensive.
I'm going to show you how.
Go on. Them big expensive walk there. Go on. I mean, your style now. What the way you're full of style. Me have to hold all your water. Oh, yeah, say, I run away walk that in a man.
Now me.
Two, yeah, for my shirt. Two, yeah, for my shirt. Two, yeah.
Those flies.
Mosquitoes, people, them are trying to we alive. Blood-sucking mosquito people, let me look a vampire there. Mosquito people, full. When the water is about, you know, mosquito. Enough mosquito where there's water. I see the golf,
Help.
the golf field.
Help.
Or golf track, golf course. Yeah, I can't remember golf what it name. But yeah, that is it. I remember that, so beautiful trees.
Field.
That is it.
Help me.
Me and the family outside. We're outside now, people, yeah, man.
Help me.
That's like, nah, I'm allowed. That is it. Oh, that don't listen. You can see the track something normally. Traverse through every day. Let's get it. Get it. You know the vibe, people. We out there. On our way back. Oh, yeah. Love the sound of nature, people.
Daddy.
Trees, that listen to that.
Daddy.
Yeah, baby.
Look.
All right, my niggas, come here. Still about to look a walk.
Huh?
Watch me while I do my little dance. Do my little dance. Watch me do my little, hey, do my little dance. Do my little what? Watch out, what's this over there?
Daddy.
What you doing?
Daddy,
I wash off berry for eat. Do my little dance. Do my. Outside, you know, people. I may have the bag for my back.
that's my bottle. Yeah, I don't know.
Yeah, me have one too.
Daddy,
Daddy's got one here.
Our hands. Let's hold our bottles hand and hold each other. Let's hold our friends.
Train
hand
tracks, people.
And let's hold hands.
All right.
Another one.
Where you find berries, so I stash them one day so you can wash them up and eat them. Eh? Yeah.
But here's the thing. I'm not stashing. I'm too hungry for that. I keep on finding some, and I just do that.
Finding some, yeah? You sure you never put those away? That's what stashing means. You stash them one side so you can stuff your face with them. Shall look for more, but she on the berry on people. So she there,
Oh,
yeah.
really?
Yes, baby girl.
That's mine.
Pull up what the bag?
No.
Pull up your head thing.
This
What?
one's mine.
What's that? Water? A water is it?
No, this pom pom.
Oh, after me now, you're gonna say I want to take away your pom pom. I don't know nothing about pom pom, darling. Eh? What me know about your pom pom them with up on your bag? Me just hold the bag because I'm a man, me carry the weight.
Yeah, that's right.
That's right, is it?
Yeah.
You agree with that?
Yeah.
So man must kill off themselves.
Yeah. I'm joking, people. I'm joking. Don't think I'm serious because I'm joking. I'm joking.
A 50-50 world we live in now. Everybody fear
No.
do
I'm joking.
the most by one another. So me and mommy, or mommy and I, you know, and the kids them feel help out too.
None.
So and dog there.
I mean.
Cause when we did that grow, we did have to help out, you know. So and dog the people. I walk with him more now. I take you to go show you a little spot where.
No, you
Mo-
didn't come this way.
No. May I take, come here guys. A little spot where
But it's,
me I go do the piece of cooking.
but
Look at him, he's a big boy, isn't he? 2 eye colors in that.
We were meant to go the cherries. There
So over here is where,
I got a red
over here by the water is where I want to do the cooking.
Huh?
Where I went that time to sit down by the river. So this is my little hangout spot.
But this is not really river. Where's the water?
So it's a small little piece of island and then lots of water. When you go down there, it has you feeling strange because there's just so much water and hardly any space to move. So
See?
it's coming up right here. Be careful.